Hi, my name is Gwinn Volen, and I am the owner of the Volen Group based in Ponte Vedra Beach. And this is your monthly market update. This month, I'm going to be looking at the month of August and statistics around that. But I wanted to start by throwing out something that I'm hearing from a lot of people, which is fall a bad time to sell. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of fall listings, but in this particular case, I feel like it's actually a great time to get your home listed. Now, if you go too far into the holiday time period, it's going to be a little quiet, but as long as you're getting your property out in the next month or so, I think you're fine. Reason being is the stats. So let's go through that. So I'm going to focus mainly on Ponte Vedra Beach and Nocatee, in part because both of those areas are a little down from last year. Year to date, Ponte Vedra is down 6% and Nocatee is down 8.6%. But if you look at the numbers, you'll see something unusual. Typically, our spring season is our bigger market, like most of the United States. And June would be both a high close sales month and we'd see the highest median price. We did not see that this year. Things actually picked up in July and then have kind of popped down. But you can see year over year for Ponte Vedra Beach, we're August, 22%. Down from July, but up 22% from last August. That's unusual for us. And with Nocatee, we're seeing that month over month, we're down 7%, but year over year, we're up 5%. So I'm seeing the market kind of balance out in those two particular areas. And with interest rates having dropped a little bit, I think that we're going to see a few more sellers into the market. And we are seeing more buyers enter the market. All of that is kind of anecdotal at this point. But if you, within our group or talking to other agents in our broker, they're seeing an uptick in buyer activity. They're not racing out to buy like they were in 2022 or 2021 when everyone was kind of bidding things. However, there are buyers out there. So I think right now is a good time to put your home on the market. If we look at Jacksonville Beach, Neptune, and Atlantic Beach, they're all pretty stable to up from last year. Jacksonville Beach, interestingly, 28% up from July and then 27% from last year. So it's, seeing an interesting uptick, and it's actually 7.4% up from last year. Well, I'm happy to see the trends and changes. Seeing month ups and down is not unusual. Real estate functions like this, but on an upward curve. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Please call, text if you have questions, and happy to talk to anyone out there. Thank you.